We begin with a woman who needs very little introduction in Houston. Carolyn Farb is as comfortable with children as she is with heads of state, and her goals are simple: raise money in order to improve lives.
Beautiful.
We've seen her face on magazines, books, and TV, but Carolyn Farb is known more for her heart. To date, she's raised more than $30 million for charity.
The millions of dollars raised by Carolyn Farb and donated to MD Anderson is just so important for researchers.
For me, it's a gift. It's my calling. It's my mission in life. It's a passion.
She credits much of her giving spirit to her beloved grandfather, Jake Friedman.
I think I learned everything from him. I learned to aspire to be all that I could, to accept challenges, never to take no for an answer, to turn lemon into lemonade. He was my hero.
And in her life, there was to be another Jake.
And I named my son after my grandfather. His name was Jake Kenyon Shulman. He passed away earlier this year, and it is a great sadness and a great loss. But all my life, I tried to make the two Jakes proud of me.
Let them know we're going to land.
So we just write, we're on it?
We're on it.
Whether her days are spent raising money for local museums, cancer research, or the Harvard Alumni Group, this Texas legend learned at a young age that by giving of her time, energy, and talent, she could really make a difference in thousands of lives.
And we proudly introduce, ladies and gentlemen, Carolyn Farb. Carolyn.
I'm deeply grateful to be recognized as a Cadillac Texas legend and to be in the company of my personal heroes, heroines, creators, and innovators who have not only shaped Houston's destiny, but that of the world. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Carolyn. Another